Okay, we're going to look at this one very quickly. This one's called absolute value. Basically, this is something you don't see very often, but if you have a number 14 in straight vertical bars, okay, so they're not really brackets, they're just vertical bars. That's called an absolute value because those are absolute value bars, okay? It means whatever's inside this absolute value is positive, okay? So I got two options. One, okay? So if you have absolute value bars around a positive number, it means nothing because it's still 14. So it doesn't change anything, right? If I have absolute value bars around a negative number, that makes the negative number positive, right? So all absolute value bars do is make the number inside positive. Whether it's positive, if it's positive, it stays positive. If it's negative, it becomes positive, right? And the one that you have to be careful on, and there might be one question like this on the test at most, and be careful with this one right here, where you see a negative 14 inside and a negative outside. Because people will make the mistake, will say, ooh, I see absolute value bars, must be 14, right? Well, this is 14, yes, but this negative was out front, so it stays out front, which means negative, the absolute value of negative 14 would be negative 14, because the absolute value of negative 14 is 14, and the negative sign stays out front. So that's the one that's a little tricky. You have to be a little careful with that one.